To prepare paya recipe, add onion, ghee, oil, green chilli, coriander, bay leaf, and add salt. Cook well. Then add turmeric, add coriander powder. Fry all the items until everything cooks well. Add tomatoes. Then mix well. Fry everything until raw smell goes away. Then add pudina, coriander leaves. Mix again. Sort it well. At this point, add mutton paya and fry it again. Mix well. And fry until at this point add Kashmiri chili powder 2 teaspoons. Mix well. After that add 1 more spoon of red chili powder. Mix again. Now add garam masala powder. Mix everything and sort it well. Now add 2 tablespoons of coconut powder. Mix. Now add 2 glasses of water. And mix everything. Again mix everything well by adding little more water if required. Add clove and cinnamon powder and mix again. Cook for 5 minutes without lid, and at this point add pressure cooker lid, add whistle, and now your mutton paya recipe is ready.